Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy easy. First, let's gather our foundation. After roasting your favorite meats, collect all those delicious pan drippings. These drippings are the secret to incredible flavor. Carefully separate about 1/4 cup of the fat from the drippings, leaving the flavorful juices behind. A good, heavy-bottomed saucepan is essential for consistent cooking and preventing scorching, ensuring your gravy turns out perfectly smooth every time. Now let's create the magic base, the roux. In your saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or the reserved fat over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This combination forms a paste, which is your roux. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. You want it to turn a light golden color, which indicates the flour has cooked out and will not give your gravy a raw taste. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly, and I mean slowly, whisk in 2 cups of warm broth or the remaining pan drippings. Adding it gradually prevents lumps and ensures a smooth texture. Keep whisking continuously as the gravy heats up. You'll notice it start to thicken beautifully. Once it reaches your preferred consistency, season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to your taste. Almost there. Now give your gravy a taste. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, adding a little more salt or pepper if needed. For an extra touch of richness and a glossy finish, you can stir in 1 tablespoon of cold butter right at the very end. This step is optional but highly recommended for a truly luxurious gravy. Serve your warm, homemade gravy immediately over mashed potatoes, roasted meats, or anything that needs a boost of savory goodness. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.